सेक्स्टॉर्शन प्रकरणात म्हापशेच्या JMFC कोर्टान कुकेश राऊत हाका सशर्त जामीन मंजूर केला। 20,000चो वैयक्तिक बॉन्ड आणि 2 हमीदार दिवपाचे अटीचेर कुकेश हाका सशर्त जामीन मंजूर केलो। जामीन अटींचो एक भाग म्हणून ताका देश सोडपाकूय न्यायालयान बंदी घाल्या। सेक्स्टॉर्शन प्रकरणात JMFC कोर्टान कुकेश राऊताच्या जामीनाचो युक्तिवाद आयकून फुडली सुनावणी बिरेस्तार मेरेन राखून दवरिल्ली। तशेंच तपास अधिकाऱ्यांक नोटीशी धाडून सुनावणेक हजर रावपाचे निर्देश दिले।
आयज बेल आसली सकाळी ऑर्डरी ती मागीर सांजची पोस्ट केली and it is granted finally. 31A of CRPC has not been complied with. Notice should have been issued to the accused before arresting because the offence had happened in 2023 and therefore there was no urgent pressing need for the police to arrest them now at this stage. It could have been issued a notice and interrogated and if need be then arrested. But today you have the phone, you have everything. So putting and keeping him in the custody doesn't make sense. That they have on telephonic conversation or whatever used that technology. The same technology provides to send a notice as well. It is nobody's case that his phone was off. It is nobody's case that if a notice is sent to him, that it would not be received. You have to do your job. That is the law. If the law provides for doing a thing in a particular manner, it has to be done in that manner or not at all.
So, any
20,000 surety, 2 like amount. 20,000 dogs and surety with the like amount. 20,000.
country मध्ये
You can't travel. He cannot travel out of country without the permission of the court. It is the video is not available with anybody. Video is not available with anybody, so we cannot make a comment. And moreover, my client is absolutely innocent.
सर त्यांची फ्रेंडशिप कितली वर्सां मेरेन आशिल्ली वेदर इट वॉज फ्रेंडशिप और समथिंग बियॉन्ड दॅट
That I have no idea. I will have to sit with my client. Not been given to the police or they have not recovered it from my accused. That is my client. So वो खंयच्यान हाडलो आनी कितें the police are in a better position to tell this, right? We have not created any video. Nobody said that our phone found that video.
सो तुमच्या म्हणण्याप्रमाणे तुमच्या क्लायंटा कडल्यान हो व्हिडिओ व्हायरल जावंक ना
ना आणि आमच्या क्लायंटा कडल्यान मेळोंकूच ना.
मेळोकूच ना.
No, he should have been called in the police station to verify whether this is his video or whatever. He has been straight away arrested. For what reason, nobody knows.
The bail has been granted now.
Yes, bail.
सो तुमच्या म्हणण्याप्रमाणे कोणी केला असतो व्हिडिओ तो नॉट बाय युअर क्लायंट
Now, see, there has to be somebody as a scapegoat, you know. So, as of now, he is my client.
सो वॉट विल बी द मोटो टू अक्यूज युअर क्लायंट
That motto, the investigation will reveal. The police will be investigating it now. And probably I will also come to know from the police only what was the reason for my arrest. I mean, my client's arrest.